Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to uncover a secret hack. I'm going to show you how to put ChatGPT into your WhatsApp. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm using the WhatsApp desktop app. So what you need to do is go onto your mobile device and add ChatGPT's number. Now I'm going to show you exactly what the number is. So you can see over here, this is ChatGPT. And let's just open this up. You can see if I go into the contact, this is the number that you need, okay? +1 is the dialing code, 800, and then 242-8478. Add that number into your phone. Once you've done that, come over to WhatsApp and search for the chat. You'll actually find it right over here. And now you can ask it exactly what you need to ask it. Like, what can you do for me on WhatsApp? Send it a message and it will literally send a message back and you can chat to it right in your WhatsApp.